bill to amend the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Law simply democratizes the process of appointing and removing chairman and members of the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council. What it simply means is that going forward, once this bill is passed into law and assented to, or whenever it becomes law, the chairman and members of the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Council cannot be unilaterally removed without two-thirds majority of the Rivers State House of Assembly approving so. So to appoint the chairman of the Traditional Rulers Council and members and to remove them, we now have to have a two-thirds majority vote in that regard before that is done. So that's the first item. The second item is the Rivers State Advertisement and Use of State-Owned Property Prohibition Bill. We want to repeal that, considering the times. You know, I say it all the time that laws are made according to trends. It is trends and contemporary issues that give rise to laws. Laws are meant to bridge gaps. Considering the hardship that we're facing in our country today, it will be very unreasonable to begin to put certain burdens on the populace, on citizens. So that law, which used to ensure that before you use certain public facilities like schools or hospitals and all of that, you have to pay some sum. With the reason behind that law, the mischief that law wanted to cure, was destruction of public properties unnecessarily. And so going forward, we're saying that, okay, considering the times and trends, that will no longer be necessary. So people can go ahead and use, once approved, can use public facilities without having to make any kind of payment. Oh, that is not correct. That's not correct. The House is not taking away the power of the governor to do anything. We're only strengthening democratic institutions. Three arms: legislature, the judiciary, and the executive. But we also have vertical separation of powers: the federal, the state, the local government. And then we also have under there one of the most important democratic institutions is the traditional rulers, the customary authority. So by doing so, if we've made laws to strengthen local government institutions, we're also making laws to strengthen traditional institutions so that traditional rulers can independently perform their functions without fear or intimidation. We need them to be more active in governance. We need them to be more active in the democratic space, for them to play their roles as designed and as intended by law. So we're just trying to strengthen democratic institutions. I hope we're good.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.